doing?
Why are you in the tub? We need
I've
to do.
been waiting to have a room with a nice tub that I can take a bath in.
In the robe?
In a room. You know what? We might as well just do a room tour.
Sounds good.
All right, well, obviously this is the bathroom. Nice big tub. Complimentary robe. I mean, does it get better than this? Let me put my slippers on. Come on in the bathroom, let me show you around. Big counters, toilet, stand-up shower on this side over here, which is really nice. Separate door for when you're done in the tub. Awesome. You know, we've never stayed at Bellagio. We've always, we come here every single time we're in Vegas. We have to pop into the Bellagio, the conservatory, all of that good stuff, but we've never stayed here, so we're really excited to show you what our room looks like. You come in here, it's a really big space. And for all of you that are on Myvegas, this is a complimentary Myvegas room for 2 nights at Bellagio. I mean, you think you'd get like a standard older room? No. Nice king bed, so you can relax when you're done in the tub. And you got multiple chairs you can sit on. Having a cup of coffee? Who, me? Minding my business. Sitting over here. Check this out. I don't even know what all of this does, but it's great to have options. I see right here is a USB port. You can charge your electronic devices. And if you're here on a work trip, here's the space to do it with a view like this. One of the things that we like, they gave us a little swag kit.
Let's see what's in here. Oh, looks like a button pusher for the
These are those
elevator.
fancy things that everybody's looking for.
Oh,
The button
2 of them.
pushers.
That's pretty sweet.
Perfect. Oh, it's got a little rubber piece on it there. That's nice.
Hand sanitizer.
Okay.
Definitely need that, even though it's all over the casino. And what is this?
Please tell me that's a Bellagio branded mask.
Oh, look at that. Bellagio.
Jackpot.
2 Bellagio
2 of them.
masks. How nice.
And
With a little bag.
guess what I'm going to use this for? Hopefully I'm going to be carrying my chips in here.
All your winnings. Fingers crossed.
Nice. Well, hey guys, this is just a, like I said, a standard room. This was actually a free comped room from Myvegas, so not too shabby if you're thinking about staying at Bellagio. Thanks for watching.